What's up, my loving people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be cooking some pumpkin rice. If you're new, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Always remember to leave a like and a comment if you wish. It will be greatly appreciated. I'm gonna start out with some pumpkin that I have washed, peeled, and I'm gratering at this moment, actually shredding it so it cooks quicker and easier, and it will help to give my rice that pumpkin color that I am looking for. Always try to find the curry pumpkin, the pumpkin that looks like curry. When you cut it, you see the stain on the knife that looks like curry. Now I am gonna start by placing my pot on the stove, adding a teaspoon of salt and some water and a piece of butter. I'll be cooking 4 cups of rice. That's approximately 2 pounds. I am going to allow the shredded pumpkin to cook before I add the rice, or almost cook before adding the rice. Up next, I will add a Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme. I add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. However, I will not cut that pepper or burst it because I do not want spicy rice. I just want the flavor. However, if you are a person who likes spicy food, the option is to burst the pepper or cut it and put it into the pot. I will continue to add my natural season, so I'm gonna chop some onions and I'll cut them very fine. I'm not a big fan of onions. I like the flavor, but not to eat them directly. So in order for me to eat them, I'll cut them very fine and allow them to cook properly. We'll also be adding some scallion or green onions. So I chop them very fine also. It gives the pot a lovely flavor, along with some garlic. You cannot leave out your garlic. Garlic is good for your system. Allow to cook with the pumpkin before adding your rice. Once you cook these herbs this fine, you'll be consuming them, eating them, same thing, without even realizing it. So it's good for those persons who does not like to eat these herbs or seasonings. As you can see, guys, the pumpkin has started cooking and the water has taken the color of the pumpkin. That's what we wanted. So this pumpkin rice will be served with some fried chicken for dinner. So here we go with the fried chicken. Just a sneak peek to see what I'm doing. Back to the meat of the matter, guys. How to cook pumpkin rice. Now I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. I add this to just about and almost everything, as its name suggests, all-purpose seasoning. Next, I'll be adding some mixed spice, great flavor of your rice. Next, I'll add some black pepper on my butter. I thought I add the butter at the beginning, guys, but I did not. After which, I'll add some coconut milk. The coconut add that great flavor. Yes, you will love it. Next, I will move on to washing the rice, since I have placed all the ingredients in the pot and allowing those ingredients to cook well. I am gonna wash the rice. So here I am washing the rice. Gonna wash it at least 2 times. Make sure that it is clean. Some people don't wash their rice, but that's okay, because when it boils, the germs will disappear. But it's good to wash it, because something might come up, maybe a little stone or something, but whatever particles, but it's good to wash your rice dry. After washing, I will add to the pot. Yes, the main ingredient or one of the main ingredient has been added. So let's cook this rice and we'll watch and see the results. The color of the pumpkin is beautiful. Yes, I got the color pumpkin, guys. However, I also added some turmeric when I was adding the all-purpose seasoning. The turmeric helps to give it this beautiful color also. It is optional, but you can add it if you wish. As I said, it is optional. I have added the rice to the pot. However, the amount of water that is in the pot looks much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a cup and a spoon and remove some of the water. We're not going to throw away this water. We're going to keep this water just in case we need to add it back to the rice later on. So I will cover the pot, allow it to cook for a few minutes, then I'll come back and check on it. As can be seen, most of the water has been dried out. Now we're cooking pumpkin rice. We don't want the pumpkin and the rice to stick into the pot bottom, so we have to lower the heat, put it on low heat. Now that I've reduced the heat, I've turned the rice. It is not cooked yet. It has not cooked as yet, but the water has been dried out somewhat or almost dried out. So what I'm gonna do, some of that water that I took out previously, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add some to it and allow it to cook properly. I do not want the rice to burn or itch into the pot bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a small amount of the water and put foil paper over it and turn it on low heat and allow it to steam. Yes, the foil paper will help to generate more water and steam it properly. After a few minutes, I come back, remove the pot cover and the foil, check on the rice, and wow, the rice has been cooking beautifully. The rice is not burning, guys. It has been cooking great. Now, guys, I am gonna dish out this rice with some fried chicken and serve the family. Tell me if you like this video, leave a comment, and do enjoy the rest of your time. Peace out. Thank you for watching.